So integrating asset building with other social services programs is a key path to scale for providing asset building services to low and moderate income Americans. We believe that a range of different social service programs could benefit from the integration of these services. Places like Head Start programs, where building the financial security of Head Start families is a key goal of that Head Start program. The foster care system, where children who are aging out of the foster care system need to create and build their own financial independence in addition to other independent living skills. The best systems for integration, I think when we look at an integration opportunity, we think about a couple of important preconditions. How are a system's program goals articulated? Is there a logical link to financial security and financial capability? So for example, the Head Start program talks about increasing the financial security of households. That's a very direct link. The TANF program is really predicated on helping people to find and retain jobs. But often there are financial practices or financial management issues that affect the ability of a household to find and maintain jobs, things like low credit scores, access to a savings account and having emergency savings that would impact a person's ability to, say, get to work if the car broke down. So looking at the linkages with program goals is a really important aspect of determining whether a system is ripe for the integration of financial capability services. Scaling programs over time requires a couple of important considerations. I think, first of all, what are the funding streams that are supporting those? And that's why we think that integrating financial capability within some other big social service systems is really important. So if you look at ways that these other systems could incorporate asset building and financial security into those federal funding streams such that those services could be covered under those funding streams, that would be a very important aspect of scaling those services. CFED every year produces the Assets and Opportunities Scorecard. And for those of you interested, you can look at cfed.org/scorecard to find out more. It provides data as well as policy measures along 5 key areas: financial assets and income, businesses and jobs, education, housing and home ownership, and healthcare. And within the scorecard itself, we've got policy prescriptions that would help to increase Americans' access to those issues in all 5 of those areas.